Hey guys, you are welcome once more to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today I'm gonna show you how you can convert your old bag into a new one. I'm so excited to show it to you. Stay tuned and watch with me. Let's get started. Here is the bag we're going to revamp. Can you see that it's peeling seriously? You can see it. The inside is still very new, and I discovered that the back is just peeling off, so that's why I decided to give it a new look. Can you see this? So I'm going to peel all these ones off. I'm peeling them off so that I will wrap it with the new fabric. I actually wanted to get the exact fabric like this to wrap it with, but I couldn't get exactly, so I decided to get something similar. This is what I got, and it's still okay, kind of close. So I'm going to use this to wrap this bag. So work with me and stay till the end. Okay, let's wrap it together. Here are the things needed for wrapping this bag. Here is the main bag that I'm going to wrap. So I'm just going to remove this handle so that when I'm done I can fix it back. Okay, so then I have the fabric I'll use to wrap it. Here is my glue. This is an Evo-Stick glue and a paintbrush. I'm going to use this container. I will just pour little of this glue here, bit by bit, while I use it. You know, if you pour everything out, it's going to solidify, it's going to dry up. So I need to be bringing it out little by little on my scissors. The first thing to do, I will just peel off this excess. You can see that nothing is wasted. After this method, I will advise you, any old bag you have that you think that is peeling off and you love that bag so much, you can do exactly what I just did to it and you will thank me later. Nothing is wasted, so say no to throwing away your old things. Even how to wrap your old shoes, you can check our channel as well and you will see them. Anyone that is proving difficult, just leave it like that. We're going to wrap it like that. Okay, so I removed the ones that are really very obvious. Then you can see this. I'm supposed to remove this so that I can wrap it before fixing it back, but I try to pull it out, but it's kind of difficult because of this screw. If I have a plier, I would have removed this, but if not, what I will just do, I will just wrap it around, since I'm not going to wrap the inner side. So when I get here, I will just push in the fabric. So that's what I'm going to do. Here's my glue. The first thing to do, I'm going to start the wrapping from this very point. Okay, that's the cover, right? So this, I'm just going to let me see if I can remove it. Okay, I can't remove it, so I'm just going to maneuver my way around it. So what I will do now is to first of all add my glue at the edge. Okay, this edge, add enough glue around here. And here. So just follow me carefully, okay? I may not be talking all through, so just follow what I'm doing, you'll get it. After this, I'll just place it over like so. Ensure that this thing is longer than it a little bit so that I can push it in if I need to. So you can see that I'm not adding glue everywhere because I don't want it to be sticky. So I don't also want to waste my glue, so I just place at this edge. Okay, then I will hold this like this. I need to use my finger to feel it to know exactly where I need to cut so that I will not go and cut the wrong place. So that's why I'm trying to touch it and get the exact place to cut here. Now I need to cut this place a little bit so that this thing can come out. Okay, so I'll cut here. Just make sure you time know the exact place to cut. Just a little cut. So I'll push this in. That's the design.
This is Ahviworld.
So I can add little glue around that place where I added this design now. Same thing I did here. That's what I'm going to do here. Okay. Then pull it down. Ensure that you adjust, you smoothen it out and stretch it out so you don't have any kind of roughness anywhere. Okay, let it be very smooth. And from here I'm gonna cut out. In cutting it out, I'm going to leave a little allowance like this. I'm going to cut it in a way that I'll fold this and end it here, then continue the other one from here. Okay, so I'll fold it like this. Ensure that it gets to the zip area so I can fold it. Then I will just cut from here like so. Then with this I can add some glue at this tip, right? Then fold it down like this and make sure it ends here, but it's like this is a little bit too big, so I'll still need to cut out of it. Okay, you see that I cut out this place deep. Why this place? You know, the zip did not get to this end, so this fabric needs to cover up this place, so I'll need to fold it down. First of all, I'll add the glue at the fabric itself like so. Fold it down. Then after this I'll raise it up a little bit and add glue at that very point, both the fabric and the bag itself, so it can stick on that on top of the zip area like so. First part is done, so I'm going to continue like that from here. Add your glue as well for this very point. Same thing I did here, I'll repeat it here. Let me just add some glue at the edge of this fabric so that it will be faster. Okay, after this I'll still add on top again, just like the way we did the other one, so that it can stick to it directly. Okay, So I'm just going to continue like that. You see that I'm not adding glue at the middle, I'm just adding at the edges. Okay, it's enough for it. And if you see this fabric is like nylon. Okay, this is not crepe, this is not lycra. It's like waterproof, so even if it rains, you are good to go. Okay, so you know this place is kind of double. I'm supposed to open them, separate them, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to stress myself, so that's why I see I'm just opening it up like this and doing it directly. I applied glue already. I just bring it down, smoothen it out like so. So from here I'm going to repeat same thing we did at the zip area. So cut it, then fold it and turn it. Okay, I want to welcome you all once more to this channel. Are you new here? You are very welcome. You're in the right place. The subscribe button is just down below. Kindly subscribe, and if you like this video, give us thumbs up. When you finish subscribing, kindly turn on the notification bell so you can always get notified anytime we upload new videos. Okay, we upload videos every Mondays and Thursdays. And to our old subscribers, we say thank you for staying with us. God bless you. So now time for the edges. What I'm simply gonna do, I'll reduce this part, then fold it in a way that this one will come like this, while this one will come like this. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll just cut out a little. I'm just folding the edge down just the same way I did to those other sides. Okay, after folding it, I added glue generously at that inner part. So what I'm going to do now is to first of all fold this part down, this edge. I'll fold it down like so, then put my hand inside the bag, okay, like so, so that I'll get a firm grip of it. Then fold here down, okay, then fold here on top. That's just it, as simple as ABC. Okay, if you find out that the glue is not enough, you can still add more so that it can stick very well. You know, everything you use here is all about glue. So after this, I repeated the same process on this other side. You can see it. The bag is halfway done or almost done. So all I need to do now is just to shock in this place as well. This is for the handle. So I'll trim it a little bit, then shocking it here or fold it here. So that's what I'm going to do. After trimming out of the front like this, what I did was to add glue at the edge of the fabric. Then I'll fold it down a little bit like so. I'll fold it like that round. Then I'll add glue again and fold it like this. So that's how I'm going to leave it. So let me just quickly do it and show you the outcome. You can see I finished shortening it. Okay, so I decided to cover this other part, this open part. So all I did was just to attach glue. I'll just place the fabric directly on it, trim it and fold the edges. Here is the front of it that I just wrapped. Can you see this? Wow, is it not amazing? Can you see the front side? Can you see everything? See the inner side? I didn't wrap the inner side because it was still looking new. See the downside of it? Wow. See the back of it? Can you see this zip area? You can see how neat it's looking. Wow, is this not amazing? Who can believe that from an old worn-out bag you can get out something like this? So this is to say, don't throw away any of your old bag. From waste you can get your wealth back. Okay, wow, this is amazing. I'm so excited to rock this my bag. It's been lying there all day, all month, but I decided to do this. You too can do that to your old bags as well. If you like this video, kindly give us thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.